When speed, consistency, and regulatory compliance matter, we deliver. Here's how we safeguard every assay through advanced quality control and GMP standards. For peace of mind, the regional manufacturing capabilities leads to reduced logistical hurdles, such as shorter transit times, fewer regulatory complexities, and a more streamlined, sustainable supply chain. It also allows a more rapid response to market demands and supply fluctuations and makes site visits easier. We offer a range of sealing environments, either in the freeze dryer itself, a nitrogen enclosure, or a very low humidity dry box. This not only reduces the absorption of moisture by the product, but also provides an additional method to prevent contamination. Another example of our commitment to quality standards. We also offer a range of sealing methods, including capping in the freeze dryer, heat sealing, and cap mats. To ensure the life cycle has worked as designed, all of our products are strictly quality controlled for moisture content and TG onset or temperature transition. We can also perform qPCR functional testing if required. We build quality into the entire process, and manufacturing standards certified to ISO 13485 and cGMP standards, if required, attest to this. Full documentation and process controls are available for your inspection at any time. This gives you the confidence that you are working with an organization that can meet your strict quality standards. Your made-to-order cake or beads stabilized with our proprietary excipients mix-in methods is then ready for use. Our Lyo-Stable service brings together regional GMP manufacturing, flexible batch sizing, and technical expertise to streamline your workflows and accelerate your lyophilized diagnostic assays development, production, and commercialization. For full information on all of our customized solutions, visit our website.